In this video, I will show how to add a cell value to a sentence in Excel like this. If you change, so we'll see the changes in sentence. So to make this formula, firstly select your cell, just size, color and everything. And enter any amount firstly. Now type this formula equal sign, quotation and type your sentence. Like mark made, then quotation space and space text, type text, select it. Now select this cell, comma, space and quotation dollar sign, or type your currency symbol like pound, P or what you need. Hash, then closing quotation, make a space. Now closing bracket. Now end quotation, type your sentence. Now press enter. Now change value here, so it will reflect here. So thanks for watching.